In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set default description for your YouTube videos. So if you want to automatically set all the YouTube videos that you upload to have a specific or a set default description that is common on all your videos, then it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to do this, go to your YouTube studio, and I'm in my YouTube studio here. Then go to settings, and from settings choose this option called upload defaults. Now under this we have an option to enter our default description here. So while the title will be changing, we want the default description to be the same on all the videos that I'll upload from now. Go ahead and enter your default description that you wish to set and then click on save. And now if I go ahead and upload any video, so let's go ahead, we should be able to see the default description. So I'll upload a video. So let me upload this. So look at that, the video heading is here. However, look at the description, it is already set, and this is common on all the videos that I'll be uploading. So I'll be able to use this, and maybe if I want maybe to make some changes, I can also just make changes here. However, this original default description will apply on all the videos that I'll be uploading henceforth. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.